Planning a road trip can be an exciting way to see new places and have new experiences, but it's important to be well prepared to ensure that your trip goes smoothly. Here are some tips to help you plan a successful road trip. Decide on your destination and route. Consider factors like distance, driving time, and the type of scenery you want to see. You can use a mapping website or app to help plan your route and estimate your travel time. Plan your logistics. Make a packing list of items you'll need for the trip, such as clothes, toiletries, snacks, and any necessary documents. Also, consider any special needs you or your travelers may have, such as medications or car seats for children. Prepare your car. Before you hit the road, make sure your car is in good condition. Get a tune-up, check the oil and tires, and pack a roadside emergency kit in case of any unexpected issues. Take breaks. As you're driving, be sure to take regular breaks to stretch your legs and rest. Plan your stops ahead of time and consider making reservations at hotels or campgrounds if you'll need a place to stay overnight. Stay safe on the road, be mindful of your surroundings and follow traffic laws. Keep your phone charged in case of emergencies, and consider downloading offline maps in case you lose cell service. Have fun. Don't forget to enjoy your trip. Road trips are a great opportunity to create lasting memories with friends and family. By following these tips, you can ensure that your road trip goes smoothly and that you make the most of your time on the road. Here are a few additional things to consider when planning a road trip. Plan your meals and snacks. Consider packing a cooler with food and drinks to save money on dining out. Consider your budget. Determine how much you can afford to spend on your trip and make a plan to stick to it. This can include things like gas, lodging, and entertainment. Make a playlist or bring some entertainment. Long drives can be boring, so it's a good idea to bring some entertainment to keep you and your travelers occupied. Share the driving. If you're traveling with others, consider taking turns driving to avoid fatigue. Be flexible. It's always a good idea to have a general plan, but be open to making changes or detours if something interesting catches your eye. I hope these tips help you plan a successful road trip. Enjoy your journey and the memories you create along the way.